I'm Amanda from Interstate Homes, and today I'm going to show you how to improve the look and feel of your natural stone and quartz countertops with more stone and quartz polish. I love how this polish helps your countertops resist fingerprints and improves the gloss level, giving it a smooth, silky feel. It's also safe to use on adjacent surfaces like stainless steel, glass, and all kinds of tile. Its water-based formula is safe on surfaces that come in contact with food. Simply spray on your natural stone and quartz kitchen and bathroom countertops and wipe down with paper towels or a soft cloth every week. It even improves your countertop stain resistance. You can now save 10% on more stone and quartz cleaner when you purchase online at countertopsource.com.